know, if you, I don't know if you've been watching the weekly forecast.
Frankly speaking, I'm not consistent. I've not been consistent. I do watch, but not
You can
consistent.
see at times I mark out fair value gaps. Emphasize that with
Yes,
reaction and
yes,
all those things. You get it.
yes, yes,
So you can see now from the daily here we found this pullback, which is a buy side liquidity. You want to see the market takes it out. And then what you can see
yes,
above it is just this unmitigated. Hello, sir.
yes. I'm here.
Right. So this is the buy side liquidity. You want to see the purge of it. Now you see this is the inducement,
Yes,
right? So you can see how this one just took the inducement, mitigated this unmitigated week based on the daily time frame. You get it?
yes,
Then
please.
it fell to the downside. So now you can see that within this week, in the 4 hour time frame, is the order block.
Fix the other block. Yes,
So that is why at times you see trading the forex market, we need to be very flexible, switch between time frames to utilize them. So let's go to the 4 hour. So as I was saying somebody has to be flexible with time frames. You get,
yes, sir.
there are times zones zones not really be clear in your higher time frame. Let's say like the order blocks for you.
The 4 hour.
Maybe you yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm just trying to cite an example like for the or let's say from the daily you mark out, for example, a fair value gap, and you're not certain that price may respect it. You get it? You drop to a lower time
Yes,
frame because inside that fair value gap, you may find an order block in the lower time frame.
yes,
You get it? Aha. So
yes,
you
sir.
can see now, I refined a week from the daily, and now you can see how clearly it marked the order block volume for us here.
Yes,
You can
yes.
see how it went to it and then fell to the downside.
Sure.
So we just have to be flexible and with the time frames. So if you check
Yes.
now, GBP USD cleared this already, but Euro USD have not.
It's waiting.
Uh, so that is where they call about all this divergence, smart money divergence, and the rest. You get so positively correlated and everything like that.
So,
Go on.
so if I'm to be looking at the euro dollar now, I must check out for selling opportunities here because is positively correlated to the GBP USD,
Yes,
with which that side it has already changed brick structure over there.
yes.
So in order to be on safer side here, you must look
What
for
euro is
sell
doing.
setups. Yes.
It's just the way
Okay.
it's just the same thing with Nasdaq and S&P images. You get. You can see Nasdaq could possibly break a low point, and then S&P 500 have not broken it. You get it.
Yes.
And those pairs are also positively correlated.
Yes. Yes.
So
Okay.
and also again for you to establish more confidence, you know that Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY, USD CAD, USD CHF, all those pairs are major pairs.
Yes, sir.
So when you know what dollar is doing, you can be able to predict what those currencies can do.
I also doing.
Yes.
Yes.
If
Yes.
if let's say dollar is bullish, then you know that euro should
USD is bearish.
yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
the base currency seems to be the stronger currency, not the counter
Yes, sir.
currency. Aha.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if DXY is bullish, since DXY is quoted is a counter to euro, so euro should
Yes, sir.
bearish. You get
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
DXY is bullish. All right. So the same applies
Yes.
for GBP USD.
NZD, USD, all the
It's USD
USDs.
that's where USD is the counter currency. But
Yes, sir.
for
Yes.
USD JPY, USD CAD, USD CHF, you would not expect those ones.
They are all bullish.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Because GBP USD and USD CAD, they are negatively correlated.
Correlate. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that is it. So you can see now we've marked the structure. So does it align to the one you marked?
Let me see.
You said you marked it. You just want to be sure what you marked.
Yes.
Okay. It aligns to it.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. All right then.
Just that next time with the one at the Go chatting
Platform.
Go chatting website. Yes, that one I must do it well.
Okay.
But with the one that I did with the
Trading.
trading views in line,
Okay.
it's perfectly in line.
All right. All right. So back to the way I was saying. So I'm coming. Let's see. You can see a euro here is, let's say this is a bullish move, right? So meaning dollar fell when this currency was buying,
Yes,
right? So you can see I don't know if you're seeing my cursor, you can see the date, right?
yes,
December
that's 23rd.
2024.
That's
This is
today.
New York time, 8:24.
Yes,
All right, but it's December 23rd. So let's see if this is playing out. So
hey Jay,
you can see it.
hey,
Yeah.
just smell it.
So you can see, yeah.
Yes,
So I will check my trader this thing, my trading plan.
yes,
See, so you can see it.
nearly.
So that's just the institutions. They would want to manipulate price. Anyway, what happened was why they just came back again to still take liquidity before pushing again. That was just all. Just came
Yes.
back to take another liquidity before pushing to the upside. So if this should, let me see, if this should take this high, I can just close my position. I'll not expect it. At times you have to be conservative.
Yes,
This should,
you go with the letter that you have. It's better than to go home with a loss.
but I'm just looking at it to possibly just reach this up close candle. But if it takes
Yes.
out the buy side, I think I will just close it. And why I took this setup was, if you are looking at trading, sorry, if you're looking at it
Yes, sir.
from the chart you're looking at here, you would see that there's no reason for you to want to mark out other block here, right? For some reasons, but there is because you have, let's see, this is fair value gaps, right? And you can see how this filled this fair value gap, filled up
Yes.
this fair value gap, and then price just push, did not push further and then fell. If you're looking at this now, where you'll be looking at is you want to possibly say it. If you want to possibly consider a buy, you will be possibly waiting for it to come here, right? If it was somebody else that wants to trade this, the person might be waiting to see the market will reach this other block, right? Before buying, possibly.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Before.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
Yes.
the person can regard these ones as maybe trend line liquidities, which is not bad. You
Yes.
get. All right. But what I saw was since price is bearish, because we can see this massive fall of price to the downside. You get.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So, and then I use this session indicator. So this is the
Mm,
session. This is the Asian session. This is London session. The yellow is New York. This is London close.
New Year.
You get. So this is the London close zone. So what I was expecting was, since I'm expecting bearish move, and then Asia session gave us the high. You get it?
Yes.
Asia session the
Yes.
high. Then now price fell to the downside. You can see in London we had this bearish movement down here.
Yes.
So
Yes.
London created a low somehow, let's assume, because the expectation is, if I want to, based on sessions, if I want to see a bearish move, I'll be anticipating to see London will create my high for me. You get it?
Sure.
So I'll be anticipating to see that London session will create my high. But in this case, London session did not create the high. It was the Asian session that gave us the movement to the upside. London gave us
Yes.
push.
The low.
So
Yes.
since London did not create high, then I was like, let me just trade New York. New York should possibly give us the up movement of price. You get it? So
Yes.
that was just the reason behind this. I didn't really spend time to do one technical here. It is just the knowledge of session I used. So
Okay.
that
Okay.
was what I used here.
For that one, I will get there. I'm now coming.
So you can still see it here in 1 hour. Almost still the same. This took out this. So we should expect, but still institutions, it's just to hunt you. And you can see what happened was because price return filled this fair value gap. You get, that was what sponsored this bearish
Yeah.
movement to take out this liquidity. Because this was what happened. Price here fell, took out this low, price return mitigated the internal one here, which is this fair value gap here. You get it?
Sure.
Yeah,
Sure.
again just to still grab this liquidity. There wasn't really a reason
Liquidity
for it
before.
to fall, but because it has filled up this internal, it's just to still stop hunt, and then it went down again to take this. Because so you can see you have
This
this
is
up
still
close candle, you have this up close candle before this bearish move. You get it.
yes, sir.
So you just
Yes, sir.
sponsored again to take out another liquidity. But you can see that prices, I believe this price should go above this by God's grace. Because I can see you can see
You should read
bullish movement. And
movement there.
yeah, because if you look at it now, it's just like you have this fall. Let me show you something. It's like you have this fall. This week took out this high. Meaning you have this, and then we have the fall again here, right? So you can see we have this fall, right? And then we have this pullback, right?
Yes,
Then
yes.
this fell. So I'm expecting
Foil again, yes.
from here it was when I took the entry, when I saw the sweep of this low. So I'm expecting, definitely now this is our buy side liquidity.
Yes, yes.
It was not created the time I took it. You get it? So this is the buy side liquidity. And above the buy side we have this fair value gap above it.
Sure. It wants to grab that buy side liquidity.
Perhaps
At
it's supposed
least.
to grab the
Yes.
yeah. So I'm just happy it played out. At least we saw the
Hey,
performance of it.
yes,
So
yes.
should take
That's brilliant. That's brilliant.
should take this like good. So
Oh, sir. Hey, you put in much effort. That's why. I remember one day gold like wigged me out like this.
yeah,
Hey, I woke up from sleeping to see price moving into my direction. I was jumping for joy.
yeah,
Lo and behold, I went to check my account in trading MT5.
yeah.
Oh, 000. No, no, it just liquidated me then went my direction. So on the trading view, I saw it moving in my direction.
So
I went to check on my phone and my account.
yeah.
It was already gone. Oh, that night.
So
It was really painful. Then I was setting very tight stop loss. I wasn't giving the trade some air to break. So
okay.
I learned from those moments to
Yeah,
at least you add some little peps be
yeah, you really
at least.
you add, yeah, it's true. Now you can see this was our okay, let's check some. This was our 4 hour zone, right?
Yes.
We saw it in the daily time frame too, as that
Yes, sir.
you can see in the week is a fair value gap. And you can see how price returned into it.
Yes.
You can see how price returned and fell
Yes.
weekly. So this price is fragile. Those they all have relationship in all time frames. They have relationship in
Sure.
all the
Sure.
time frames. They just have it.